Have a nice day. My name is Brian Alberto Guerrero Murillo. I am 24 years old. I live in Bogota City. I am technologist in logistic process. I study in Compensar University. I'm going to explain my genealogic tree. I start with my mom's, Adriana Murillo. She's a secretary in Parish Santa Rosa de Lima. Um, he likes to paint and photography, so he she has some plans to improve the photography, take a course of this kind of language, because you can say a lot of things with a photography. So she thinks that it is beautiful to improve this thing. The second person that I want to explain in this genealogic tree is Jose Guerrero. He is my father, and Julian's father, that is my brother. Jose Guerrero, uh, born in Genesano. Uh, he is a taxi driver, but in the past he was a truck driver for all the country. He has some interests that are soccer, especially Millonarios, and he likes and now uh, a lot of cars, especially trucks. Mm, eh, Julian is a child and my brother, so he's a student. He already um, is finishing his studies in the university, so he likes all the business management, and also he has the Julian's uncle is Hajan Murillo. He is a supervisor in the Super Nordicos industry. He likes all the rock music, so he likes to spend your times in concerts of this kind of music. Also, my aunt is Kelly Murillo. He already died because COVID in the 2021, and um, his parents are Fanny Barbosa and Julio Murillo, that are my grandparents. The Julio Murillo already died in 2021 for COVID, and Fanny Barbosa is already with life. He she spent his time in swing box. She liked to spend, and now new techniques of this kind of swing box. Thank you for your attention.